Everybody together. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. A very good evening to all of Dhamma brothers and Dhamma sisters. I would like to take permission and pay my respect to the Venerable Sayadaw with all the Sangha. Before we start our Pali class. Actually, today I am going to explain the language of the Buddha, our Lord Buddha's language. This language we call Pali, but some similar words also have. According to the commentary, they use some similar words. Somewhere use tanti, one new words, tanti. Tanti also called for the Pali. How to spelling? T-A-N-T-I, T-A-N-T-I, tanti. One words, tanti. Tanti also called to Pali, the similar words. Other one, nirutti. Nirutti. Because the Asian time, they did not use the Pali word. Pali we call to the Lord Buddha's teaching only, not the language. In the commentary, somewhere I explain like this. In the Sumangala Vilasani commentary explain, Neva Paliyang na Attakatayang, this is don't write, only understand. Neva Paliyang na Attakatayang, this meaning, this one cannot see in the canon and in the commentary. This is a canon. Lord Buddha's teaching we call Pali. Before the Asian time, Lord Buddha's time, and after Lord Buddha passed away, many years continuously use Pali meaning Mula. Mula meaning Lord Buddha's teaching. Pali meaning Tipitaka. Vinaya Pitaka, Sutta Pitaka, Abhidhamma Pitaka. 3 canon or 3 baskets we call Pali. In the after before arrived Bhante Buddhaghosa to Sri Lanka, Sri Lankan some Mahatheras wrote some books. They used the Pali language. Why? After Arahat Maha Mahinda Thero came to Sri Lanka, he brought some commentary from India. He brought Maha Attakatha and Andaka Attakatha and Sankepa Attaka. 3 commentaries he brought to Sri Lanka. Then he translated to Sinhala language, Sinhalese. He translated to Sinhalese. After that, Sri Lankan some bhikkhus wrote 2 commentaries. We call Pachariya Attakatha and Kurundi Attakatha. All are 5 commentaries. All are Sinhalese. Before Bhante Buddhaghosa arrived to Sri Lanka, Sri Lankan some bhikkhus wrote some Pali books. They used the Lord Buddha's word. At that moment, they used Pali as the language. Before, they never ever used Pali, one of the language. Pali, they call Pali meaning Lord Buddha's teaching. Pali meaning Sutta, Vinaya, Abhidhamma. We call Pali. Understand? This is a way. Now, today I want to explain what is the Pali. In the one Pali poem coming, Pali stanza coming from the commentary, Sa Magadhi Moola Bhasa Nara Ya Yadi Kappika Brahmano Chasutalapa Sambuddha Chapi Bhasare. What is the meaning? Sa meaning this is a Pali, this language, this Pali language. Magadhi. Magadhi meaning Magade Bhava Magadhi. Magada meaning the middle India. Middle of India we call Magada. Magada the Magada province, the country. Our Lord Buddha also appeared in the Magada. Lord Buddha born in the Magada. This the Magada, who was living in the Magada. Those are people. Each other talk each other language. There's language Magada language. We call Magadi. Pali is the Magada language. Moola Bhasa. Moola Bhasa meaning it is the very first language in the world. Before some the people, some scholar, monk, scholar, some professor, someone say the Sanskrit is the Moola Bhasa. Sanskrit is the first language, very, very first language in the world. Actually, according to our Lord Buddha's teaching, our Lord Buddha's way, Pali is the very, very first language. After this Pali poem, next sentence, Naraya Adikappika. You can read the meaning. The language is spoken by human beings in the beginning of the world circle. That's why we call Pali is the very, very first language in the world. Brahmano. This meaning, this Pali poem explains the Pali language, the use in the Magadha people, and the Pali is the first language, and Magadha is the first human beings used language, and Brahmano in the all Brahma's language, the Pali. And Asutalapa. Asutalapa meaning, you can read the meaning. It is truth. Okay, next one. Samma Sambuddha Chapi Bhasare. All most important, Pali is the language spoken by the Samma Sambuddha. This meaning Pali is the Magadha language and first language and first human beings used language and all Brahma's language and the newborn baby's language and Samma Sambuddha's language. The important, why we are studying the Pali language? What is the important? What is the important? Why you are come to study Pali? Sorry? To understand Sutta. Okay, other? No any answer. Okay. Without understand Pali language, Pali grammar, very difficult to understand clearly Lord Buddha's teaching, no? That's why in that Pali poem explain, Yo nirutting na janati janati pitakattayang pade pade vikankeya vane andha gajo viya. What's the meaning? Yo nirutting na janati janati pitakattayang. For one who does not know the grammar of the Pali language, though he know the whole Tipitaka. This meaning he know the meaning of the Tipitaka, but he doesn't know the Pali language. Example, now this time we are using a translate book. Example, according to English translate or Chinese or Burmese or Sinhalese, so any kind of translate book we are using, no? We don't know this explain truth or correct or wrong. We don't know. Why? We are for only the translation. That's why if someone know the Tipitaka but he doesn't know the grammar, then in the one example there, pade pade vikankeya vane anda gajoviya. Understand meaning? If we study the Tipitaka without understanding Pali grammar, we will face many doubts and difficulties in grasping the true teaching of the Buddha. Example, now I can give only one example. Buddha. What is the meaning Buddha? What's the meaning Buddha? They have so many meaning, not only one meaning. What is the Arahant? Not only one meaning. And the another thing, if we take the one word, example Brahma. Okay, very good meaning, Brahma. What's the meaning Brahma? Lord Buddha in the according to Sutta, many places use the Brahma, 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 Brahma. Somewhere use Brahma meaning for the Brahma. Somewhere Brahma use for the parents. Brahmatiko bhikkave mata pitunang etang adivachana. We Brahma we call for the parents. To mother, to father. And Sadevake bhikkave loke samarake sabbrahmake sassamana brahmaniya pajaya sadeva manusaya tathagato brahmati uchati. Somewhere they use Brahma called Lord Buddha. That's the one word, they have the some different meaning. That's why we want to know the Pali language with the grammar. If you know the Pali language with the clear grammar, then we can understand what is the meaning of the Lord Buddha. That's why somebody, some because of somebody, they after study the Dhamma, they different explanation we can see, no? Now example, now we can take the one sutta. Some teacher, some bhikkhu explain different way. Someone explain different way, according to the understanding. But if we are going to the according to the grammar, cannot be changed. All are same meaning. This is important. After that, Pali. The Pali, they have the meaning. The Pali, this word have the meaning. Attang pati rakkhatiti Pali. Attang pati rakkhatiti Pali. Atta meaning of the Lord Buddha's teaching. Pati meaning fall. Rakkhatiti, to protect from. This fully meaning, Pali is the Mula. Originally, now you can see, you can understand meaning. This Pali language, because of the Pali language, we can protect our Dhamma, Lord Buddha's teaching. Example, if Dhamma have with the Pali language, anyone cannot change. Now we are reading some translation book. Someone can change, no? But if they have the according sutta, cannot be changed. Someone cannot add any Pali words. If someone add, who is know the Pali language, Pali grammar, he can say, this is wrong. Someone add some words to the sutta. This is important thing. That's why Pali word meaning, without falling, we can protect our Lord Buddha's teaching. During the Buddha's time, they used the Pali language. Sorry, you can understand the meaning. Our Lord Buddha's time used the language Pali. Actually, this is not at that time not use the language. This is a Lord Buddha's teaching we call Pali. But language meaning Magadha. At that time called language Magadha language. Okay. Now our Lord Buddha explain, they give the Dhamma talk by the Pali. After that, some scholar monk, some Mahatheras, they choose the according to the grammar way. All sutta, all Abhidhamma, they choose according, they make the according to grammar. This meaning the Lord Buddha direct not explain that this is a grammar book according to Buddha's teaching. This is a like this they not explain. After many years, some teachers, after read the all sutta and Abhidhamma, all Tipitaka after reading, they found this is a noun, this is a verb. Like this they found this is a sandhi word, this is a separate word, this is a combined word. Like this they found after they built the grammar books. They built the grammar book. This is a grammar book. They have systems, 3 systems according to our Theravada. Kaccayana grammar book, Moggallāyana grammar book, and Saddha Niti. Kaccayana coming from Sri Lanka, Moggallāyana also coming from Sri Lanka, Saddha Niti coming from Myanmar. but mostly this time everywhere use only the Kachayana grammar. Kachayana grammar. Like example now, now we are using the English. My English no good. Everyone understand, huh? Don't have any grammar, only broken English. Then the according to the American, according to the British, there are different grammar, different explanation, no? But if we are want to talk, we can use their language. We can use same way. The Kachayana also, Moggallayana, they are same the way they follow. But Saddhaniti different. The Saddhaniti they wrote the Saddhaniti book according to the Sutta, according to the Lord Buddha's teaching. They found the word. Then after that they build the grammar. This is not important this time. I only want to know this is they have the Pali grammar books. The 3 systems. This is a Kachayana one system. Moggallayana, Saddhaniti only. You want to know enough. Now usually we also try to study according to the Kachayana grammar way. Now we are going to study Pali according to Kachayana grammar way. Lesson 1. The Pali alphabet. Alphabet meaning Pali alphabet according to Pali we call Akkara. 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 What is the meaning Akkara? They have the good meaning. Na khayang gacchati akkara or akkara lon na akkara. Na khayang gacchati akkara. Not destroyed, going to be. What is the meaning? You can read, understand. Now we are using different kind of material thing, no? After few days, slowly going destroy, no? But alphabet cannot be destroyed. I also can write, but if I going to write, the ink of the pen also can finish and book also can finish, but alphabet still have, no? This is the meaning. Na khayang gacchati akkara. It is not going to be destroyed. This is the alphabet meaning. Actually the Pali is the more important. Why? Every words have the meaning. Every Pali words have the meaning. All are meaningful, not the meaningless. But according to our own language, they have the word, but we don't know how to. What is the meaning of this word? No. Example now the alphabet. Okay, alphabet. How make this according to English grammar? How make this alphabet word? How come? What is the grammar according to grammar? What is the root of the alphabet words? We don't know. Only someone give the name. This is an alphabet. But akkara meaning this is alphabet. But akkara, this word, they have the meaning. This is a meaning. Na khayang gacchati iti akkara. Same way. Now arahang. We call arahang, no? They have the 5 meaning. Arakatta iti pi arahang. Arinang hatatta iti pi arahang. Aranang hatatta iti pi arahang. Paccyanang arahatta iti pi arahang. Raho papakarane raha bhava iti pi arahang. Like this, they have the meaning. All are Pali words meaningful. Without every Pali words have the meaning. According to this way, akkara meaning, it is not going to be destroyed. This is the alphabet. Now, according to Kachayana, how many letters? 41 letters. These 41 letters we can divide to 2 ways, vowels and consonant. Sara and Vyanjana or Vyanjana. "41 letters we can divide two way, vowels and consonant. This meaning Sara, Vyanjana or Vyanjana. Vyanjana, Vyanjana, same meaning. Huh? Vowels are 8. 33 consonants. What is the meaning? Sara. Now we are want to know. Now I told every Pali words have the meaning, no? No? What is the meaning? Sara. Oh. Yeah, English we call vowels. The Pali they explain the how to make this word. What is the meaning? Sayang rajentiti sara. This is plural. Sara. Sayang rajentiti sara. By itself bright, illuminate. What is the meaning? You can read, can understand. Okay, now everybody have the book. Okay, first you can see the alphabet. They divide. No, according to the books, please take book. Huh? Yes, okay. Vowels and consonant. Now vowels, please try to recite without any support. Without any support, these letters can recite, can pronounce. A, A, I, E, U, U, A, O. That's why meaning Sayang Rajantiti Sara. Now another meaning have Byanjane Sara Pentiti Sara. Consonants able to maintain. What is the meaning? Understand? Without the support of vowels, consonant cannot be pronounced on their own. Okay, now you see your book. Try to pronounce. Can? Cannot. Now understand? Without support of the vowels, consonant cannot pronounce, no? Uk, like this, no? Sound not come out, not coming, or stop here. Stop here. That's why vowels meaning they can without any support of their vowels can be pronounced by themselves, but consonant cannot. That's why consonant meaning consonant always weak. They want to take help from others. Others meaning from vowels. Later I explain consonant different later next time. Now we are going to again explain about vowels. These vowels are 8. We can divide two way. Diga sara and rasa sara. Diga sara and rasa sara. How many diga vowels? There are 5. How many sorts? 3. Now according to your understanding, A, E, U, A, O, those are vowels long. Dig. A, I, U. Those are vowels short. According to the Moggallana system, they have the 10 vowels. This is a different only. 10 vowels. They use, according to Kachayana, they use A, I, U, A, O. Only long. But according to Kachayana, according to Moggallana, A, O, the two-way have. Short A, long A. Short O, long O. This is a different. Later we are going to explain what is the meaning. Understand? Okay. Short and long vowels. Short meaning A, I, U. Long A, I, U, A, O. Important A and O. What is the difference of the between them? Different. But now please read and what is the how to pronounce the short vowels and long vowels. They have the time. They have the limit. According to our self, we cannot decide. Now, one finger snip duration, short vowels. 2 long vowels. We call the, according to English, the Pali we call mat. The duration we call mat. The, you know the how the chicken sound, cook, the 3 way, cook, coo, 4, cook, coo. Cook meaning they call consonant time. Cook without vowels. Cook. Ku short vowels. Ku long vowels. Ku. We call flute. According to the Pali, we cannot recite like this. Now singing rhythm, singing way. Cook, coo. Last one, according to our Lord Buddha's way, we cannot recite, cannot pronounce like this way. If someone going to pronounce like this, according to the our way, we call the not the real Pali pronunciation. Now we cannot change. We cannot change. Now in the world, the many people, the different system, different people, they use different way. According to Sri Lanka, also somebody used, I think the Sri Lankan chanting, Namo, like this. Yeah? I think they have. Tas Bhagavato. Like this way they chant. This is wrong according to Pali. They have the limit. According this way, we have to understand. No? Okay? After that, A and O, sometime short, sometime long. Before double consonants. Or maybe they please read. They have next chapter have the example with the example. No? You see, short before double consonant. Ketang. We cannot pronounce ketang. Cannot pronounce like this, no? Ketang. Cannot. Ketang. 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 Next one. Koteti. Cannot. Koteti. kotteti. This time they use the vowels, they together with the consonant we recite. Now vowels alone. Et, we cannot pronounce et. Et we cannot pronounce, no? Understand? Et, et, otto, otto. That's a long way. Evang. But evang we cannot pronounce evang. 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 Osad. We cannot pronounce like this. Osad. 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 At end of the word, dhamme. Dhamme. Buddho. Buddho. Understand? Understand how to pronounce? No, we want to know the rule. Before going to the pronounce the word, we have to know the rule. If you know the rule, very easy to pronounce. Before we start the Pali language, we have to know how to pronounce the language. Okay? Now, about consonants. These consonants we can divide 3 ways. Now, according to your book, have the how many consonants? 33. 33. These 33 consonants we can divide 3 ways. According to Pali, we call Vagga, Avagga, Niggahita. Understand meaning? Vagga meaning group. Avagga meaning non-group. Niggahita meaning pure nasal. Now you see your book. The ka, k, ga, g, ng. This is like the 5, no? The first group, second group, third group, fourth group, 5 group. This is a 5 group or 25 consonant. Okay, next chapter they explain. Okay, you see. Ka, k, ga, g, ng. This is this kavagga, no? Kavagga. This group we go ka group. Chavagga. Cha group. Thavagga. Ta group. Thavagga. Ta group. Pavagga. Per group. Non-group meaning avagga. This non-group. Pure niggahita. Okay. Now, without support of vowels, consonant we cannot recite, cannot pronounce. Now we are going to explain. Okay, please read. This k, uk, uk, uk. Uk plus a become ka. Uk plus become a, ka. Ki, ki. Ku, ku. Ke, ke, ko. Understand? Now it's homework. Please write down homework. Here have the homework. Homework means next time you can practice by your. Now I only give one example, only the car. Only the, I give only car. Now other remaining all alphabet you have to practice like this way. Homework meaning, have to practice. Now I already explained ka. The same way, ka, kaha, ki, kihi, ku, ku, ke, ko. But be careful. The end of the group have the some alphabet. So all are vowels not joined to here. Only few vowels. Ang. Here also coming. Sometime here only are joined. Now Deepankar, like this thing, and here nya. Only the vowels joined to here. All are vowels joined to here. Sometimes only are alphabet only joined to vowel only joined to this area. Other all vowels come to here. Here also Niggahita also pronounce without vowel cannot pronounce Niggahita. Must we add to the become ang. But this ang but quite same pronounce but different place we are using. Okay, I can give the 1 2 words for that. What is the different? Saranang kara. Saranang kara. Buddhang. Same way Dhammang, Sanghang, Silang, Ariyang. End of the word, Niggahita always come to the end of the word. Sometime the middle of the word Niggahita coming, but we have to change. Now the Saranankara, same way Deepankara, Tanhankara. Okay, example now. Another example. Sometimes see here, Sumangala, Sumangala. Both are same, but usually according to the Pali grammar, between the word we not keep the Niggahita, nasal sound, not keep. Usually the not according to the grammar not allowed to keep. That's why this Niggahita we change to the n. This is the one rule of the Pali grammar. Now you have to understand, we are going to pronounce Sumangala, Sumangala, Sumangala. The same pronounce. same pronouns. But according to you are going to read the Roman Pali alphabet, Pali, you are going to read the Pali, then you can see according to Sutta. That's why I want to explain between inside the word cannot see the Niggahita. End of the word can see no Buddhang, end of the word Niggahita. Dhammang, end of the word Niggahita. Understand my meaning? Understand? Okay? Okay, that only now enough listen, baby. Don't think too much. Otherwise, next day maybe I can see only few person here. Okay, now we are now we are going to pronounce. Before start pronounce session, we have to know every alphabet coming from different place, not only one place. Understand? Now please listen my sound first. A, I, I, U, E, O, Ka, K, Ga, G, Ng, Cha, Ch, Ja, J, Ny, Ta, T, Da, D, N, Ta, Th, Da, Th, N, Pa, P, Ba, B, M. All are sound not coming same place, no? Different place they use. Our mouth and tongue always turn different side. This is a place now we are going to explain. Now, okay, you can understand, no? Now we are going to explain the place. Kantaja, Taluja, Muttaja, Dantaja, Ottaja. Combination. Now, next chapter we are very clear explain. Now understand? Now please pay attention. Now I only add the here add to become ka, k, ga, g, ng, h, a. Now try to practice. Ka, k, ga, g, ng. Nasal sound coming from nose sound want to come. Ng. Ha, a. Because they have the sitila dhanita, aspiration, unaspiration. No? Maybe next time we are going to explain. No? Because the ka, ka, ga, gha, like this not going. Because the according to the, please you have the paper, no? So please check paper. Sitila dhanita, non-aspirate, aspirate. Understand? Because of this reason, we call first one ka, second k, ga, gh. We are cannot pronounce like this. Example now, ka, kha, ga, gha, nga, like this not pronounce. That's why always a can be changed. Not only a, other alphabet also, other vowels also. The according to Sitil and Dhanit, this is the one of the rule. Non-aspirate and aspirate. According to this rule, we are follow like this. Okay? Ka, kh, ga, gh, ng. Okay, understand? Yeah, practice. Okay, follow me. Ka, kh, ga, gh, ng, ha, a. Again, ka, kh, ga, gh, ng, ha, a. Okay, try without me. Okay. Okay, please. Good. Good. Okay. One more time. Okay. Okay, one more time. Okay, next. Okay, please read first. Can understand. How? Always you try to see your tongue. Cha, cha, cha. Tongue like become like this. Cha, cha, ch, ja, j, ny, ya, i, cha, ch, ja, j, ny, ya, i, cha, ch, ja, j, ny, ya, i. Okay, try. Again. One more time. Okay, good. Next one. Muddhaj. Meaning our tongue going to up. Our tongue touch up, no? Ta, th, da, d, n, r, l, ta, th, da, d, n, r, l. Okay, try. No, r. Chinese difficult. Because when I was power course, very difficult Chinese people pronounce ra. Ta, da, d, n, r, l. Okay, try. Again. Okay, please you pay attention to your tongue. Always tongue have to touch up of the mouth. Then sound coming. This is a way. Ta, th, da, d, n, r, l. Understand? Understand, but difficult to pronounce, no? Okay, next one. But quite same, but little bit different. Now the tongue going to touch teeth only, not go up. Ta, th, da, d, n, l, s. This one very easy, no? Now understand different? Ta, th, da, d, n, l, s. Okay, again. 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 Okay, now next chapter, special note. You have to understand. Sorry. Okay, different. The quite same, but mean the different pronouns. Again, try both together. Example now like this. Please listen. Ta, th, ta, th, da, the. Okay. Da, th, na, n. Like this. First this one, second this one. Ta, ta, th, th, da, 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 d, d, na, n. Okay, try. Okay, first this sentence, the tawag first. Okay. Again. Okay, tawag. Try to practice, huh? Difficult, no? Yeah, quite same, no? Ta, th, da, d, n, ta, th, da, d, n. Can you see different, my sound? My sound different? Ta, th, da, d, n, ta, th, da, d, n. Different, no? But because the different meaning also. If we use the same sound, different meaning. That's why the pronounce is more important. Okay, next one. Understand meaning? This is very easy. Pa, p, ba, b, m, u, u. Okay, this is easy. Okay, practice. Again. Again. Okay. Next one. Combinate places of pronunciation. How to say? A, O, V, 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 ang. Because without a, we cannot pronounce the. Now V meaning v, v. According to the Pali, v. Again, A, O, v, v, v. Ang. Again, A, O, v, ang. A, O, v, ang. Okay. Now please check your book. Take your book. See. First vowels, 8 vowels. A, I, U, A, O. Consonant. Ka, G, Ga, G, Ng, Cha, Ch, Ja, J, Ny, Ta, Dh, Da, Dh, N, Ta, Th, Da, Dh, N, Pa, Ph, Ba, Bh, M, Ya, R, L, V, Sa, Ha, L, Ang. Understand? Headache? Boring? Try one more time. Okay. Okay. Now understand, no? Now the special note according this book. The book use the, please read and understand, no? The before the nigge the nasal sound, they use different way, no? But now they change. This time change. But someone they use the M upper the dot, someone down. But usually they use the down dot. So okay, now this another rule. If, please read first. Now this meaning, they have a joint consonant, no? Joint consonant. Here also joint consonant. This time, this first consonant we have to pronounce with the first alphabet. this M also we have to pronounce with this. This one also with this. Now, Buddhang, Dham, Mang, Sang, Gang. Actually, the someone Buddham also pronounce. Buddham. The Nigahita become M. Buddham. Dhammam. Sangham. But our this is they have the meaning. We call the end of the nasal sound, we call Buddhang. Pronounce Buddhang. Buddhang. Dhammang. Dhammang. Sanghang. Sanghang. If someone cannot pronounce the nasal sound, he can follow the makar. Buddham. Dhammang. Sangham. They have the chance, but we have to follow Nigahita first. If cannot, we can pronounce makara, alphabet. Understand? Now, if have the joined words like this, first consonant we have to pronounce with the first alphabet. Bud, dhang, dham, mang, sang, gang. Okay. This one, according to the Sri Lanka, according to the Myanmar, little bit different the pronunciation. Usually, Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Sama Sambuddhasa. This is use the Myanmar tradition. But according to Sri Lankan way, Sri Lanka grammar also explained. But now this one we call the international Pali, or someone say like this. Anyway, the first time, the first A, we have to open mouth. Na, mo, na mo. Then ta, tas, s, close, s. Tas, tassa cannot, tas. Bha, g, v, to, bhagavato, bhagavato. Understand? Now, according to they have the Nigahita. Because of the reason, Buddhang cannot say Buddhang, Buddhang. Have to open here. Understand? Buddhang. Usually the before note, do you remember before note? Now the Bhagavato, Bhagavato, cannot say Bhagavato. Here, Buddhang. Because this is one word. And end of the Nigahita. Because of the reason, Nigahita pronounced with the A. Buddhang. Ang. Buddhang. Now here, we call the Pa Wag. Pa Wag. These are two words. Pa meaning per alphabet. Wag meaning group. Pa Wag. Pa Wag cannot say. Pa Wag cannot pronounce. Pa Wag. Because why? These two words together combined. Pa Wag. Same way Kawag, Chawag, Tawag. They have little bit the rule how to pronounce the word. Enough understand. After your practice, you can understand how to pronounce. here also same. Deepankaro. Deepankara. Deepankara. Katanyuta. Katanyuta. Kaddama vannassa. Kaddama vannassa. Kaddama vannassa. Again. Deepankara. Deepankara. Katanyuta. Katanyuta. Kaddama vannassa. Kaddama vannassa. Okay, now we have practice. Okay. First, Vandana. Vandana. Again. Okay. Practice. Namo. Okay. Okay. Tisarana. Panatipata. Veramani. Sik. Veramani. Veramani. Sikkhapadang. Samadhiyami. Okay, follow. Adinadana. Veramani. Sikkhapadang. Samadhiyami. Okay, again. Okay, follow. Kamesu. Miccachara. Veramani. Sikkhapadang. Samadhiyami. One more time. Musavada. Veramani. Sikkhapadang. Samadhiyami. Okay, one more time. Surameraya. Majja. Pamadatthana. Veramani. Sikkhapadang. samadhiyami. Veramani. Veramani. Money. Yeah. Vera, because the papa baba vera money it cannot pronounce because at that time vera money not polite because the the n mera mani because the nakara the this na we have to go up, our tongue go to up. Vera mani. That's why the mani. If we hear the a become if we close, tongue no time to go up. Understand? This is a way. Vera money. We have to go one word. That's why vera money. Vera money. Some place have little bit different according to pronunciation. Everywhere not same the rule. Always cannot like this. We cannot say like this. Meraya, 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 sura meraya, meraya. Sik, yeah, sikha padang. Yes, yeah. Yes, sikha padang. Two words actually. Yeah, pada. Yes, yeah, yeah, sikha pada. Then Mahamangala Sutta. Line by line, no? Okay. Evang me sutang ekang samayang bhagava. Okay, one more time. Savatthiyang viharati jetavane anatha pindikassa arame. One more time. Atha ko anyatara devata abhikantaya rattiya. Again. Anyatara. No, anyatara. Because ta, th, da, the ta coming from ta, re. Because ta coming from the by the dental, no? Yeah, because now this now we have to pay not pay attention here, pay attention here. Ta. That's why ta, da, n. Tata dada na. Yeah. Anyatara. Ekachatara. No, I mean example. Ekachatara. Ekachataro. Anyataro. Papataro. Sappurisataro. What is ta? Taro. Jeta vane. Jeta. Jeta. Because jeta meaning one word. Jeta, one word. Vane, one word. They together joined. Jeta meaning the name of the princess. The Jeta. Vana meaning forest. Jeta meaning one word. One word. Vane. Jeta. No, Jeta vane. Anyatara. Anyatara. Oh, right. Now ta ra. They ta follow the ra. The ta follow the ra. Now this ta follow the one. Why? Because this is a two words here. Jeta vane. This is one word. Anyatara. This is Jeta vane. This two words together join here. Jeta. Have to stop. Usually Jeta vane. Understand? Jeta. Jeta cannot say Jeta vane. Cannot say. Because Jeta vane no. Jeta. What is the meaning Jeta? Name of the prince means the landowner. Landowner. Jeta. Vana meaning forest. They together combine Jeta Vana. Because after pronounce if we are pronounced Jeta Vane, at that time someone cannot understand. This is one word to two words. According to pronunciation, we have to understand the two words here. Jeta Vane. There's a Anatha Pindikas. No, Anatha Pindikas. Anatha one word. Natha Anatha. Natha Anatha. Anatha one word. Pindikassa one word. Yeah, that's why. That's why yo niruktin janati pitakattaya. Pade vikanke vanayanda gachovi. Explain already, no, before. Pali poem meaning. If we know the meaning of the Tipitaka, but we don't know the grammar of the grammar of the Pali, word by word, doubt. This correct or wrong, correct or wrong. Why? We have to understand. That's why we know the Pali. This is a combined word. This is a one word. This is two words together joined. If you know that, can pronounce easy. Evang me sutang ekang samayang bhagava savattheyang viharati jetavane anatha pindikas arame athako anyatara devata abhikantaya rattiya. This jetavane. Okay. Slowly can understand, na? Okay, don't think too much. Okay. Abhikanta vanna. Abhikanta vanna. These two words, they together join. Abhikanta vanna. Vanna. Kevala kappang. Two words together. Kevala kappang. Jeta vanang. Obhasetva. Okay. Abhikantavanna. Kevala kappang. Jetvanang. Obhasetva. Okay, follow. Yes, okay.
You see the oba say tua.
Hmm.
The TD is a double consonant. So the first T is pronounced with the vowel before set. Then
Oba, set, wa.
va. So
Yeah.
it's oba set va or
Hmm.
oba set tua. Do we pronounce the T to the end? Tua.
No, both correct, but use oba, set, wa is better.
Oba set tua.
Because I always say that they have this double consonant, no?
Yes.
We have to follow set,
Set.
set, wa.
So the T is pronounced twice.
Yeah.
With the front
Set.
and with the back.
No, set, set.
Set.
Setwa. Obha setwa.
Set.
Setwa.
Set.
Wa. Wa.
Wa. Set. Wa.
Setwa.
Set. Wa.
Setwa no. Setwa.
Set. Wa.
Now the Obha setwa. Obha setwa. Okay. Yena bhagava tenupasankami upasankamitva. Okay. Tena upasankami. 3 words together. Tena upasankami. That's tenupasankami. Upasankamitva. Upasankamitva. Okay. Sanka mitva. Mitva. No, because the mitva. Mitva. Okay. Bhagavantang abhivadetva. Ekamantang atthasi. Okay. Bhagavan ekamantang Hita Ko Sa Devata Bhagavantang Gathaya Ajbhasi. Okay. Ekamantang. From beginning again. A Any question? Have many question, no? Devata. 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 Okay? Time finish? Or want to continue? Enough, no? Okay. Now the please take your book. They have the pronunciation way, but I don't know correct or wrong because they are according to the English way they explain. Try to understand, but follow the. I already taught how to pronounce. Try to read first page and second page. After that, this homework. The homework meaning now the next lesson coming. I think coming Friday, no. So this is Nara. This one have to by heart. The number 5, declension of nouns. Under the Nara is a masculine stem ending in a. Later I will explain everything. They have the 3-4 days. You can practice by yourself. I explain how to practice. It is to be declined as follow: singular, plural. Naro, nara, narang, nare, narene, narebi, narehi, naraya, narassa, naranang, nara, naramha, narasma, narebhi, narehi, narassa, naranang, nare, naramhi, narasming, naresu, nara, nara, nara. First you write down in the one paper. On the way also can. You are going to walk or going to buy bus, can read by heart. Going, coming, always continuously practice. Usually you have to practice one word. You try to recite 1,000 times. Automatically by heart. Yeah. Naro, 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 nara, nara, nara. Try practice more than 1,000 times. Then become by heart. Okay? They have 3 days to practice. Only few words, no? This is a homework. Try to they have the meaning also, English meaning. You also have, but it's better Pali with the meaning also. Try to understand. Later, we are going to explain step by step. Don't worry. Not very fast. Only we take nominative, singular, plural first time. They have to make one lesson. After that, accusative, singular, plural. We have the one lesson. Like this, we slowly by slowly we are going. Not hurry, not fast. Okay. Now this is a homework. Another homework. Now, one thing you have to practice alphabet how to pronounce. Then according to the sutta, is a Mangala Sutta. And after that, try to by heart the Nara sound. Okay? May you be free from all suffering. May you be attain Nibbana soon. Sadhu, sadhu, sukhi hotu Nibbana pachu. Sukhi hotu Nibbana pachu. Sukhi hotu Nibbana.